So welcome back. In the last video, I talked about how to send the email marketing campaigns. Now when you will send email marketing campaign, there are very important things which you should keep in mind, such as the campaign URL, social media post, and the audience list. Let us talk about these things in detail. Let's go back to the campaign that we have just saved as a draft. At the end of the page, you can see that there are a few options to share your campaign. First, we have campaign link. This link is randomly generated link by the Mail Chimp, and you can share this link at various platforms. For example, you can host it on your website, or you can share this link through mobile phones or through QR codes. When a person will click on this link, your campaign will get opened directly. To test it, you can copy the link and open it in your browser. It will work. So this campaign link will give the more visibility to your campaigns. There is an option to customize this link as well. To customize the link, just click on Edit, and this is the portion you can customize. Let me add few more words to make it more meaningful. Save it. Now the link is customized. Next, we have few options to add the social post to the campaign. What does it mean? Let me explain it one by one. First, we have Facebook. It simply means that you can share the post of your campaign on your Facebook page directly from here, and your followers of the page will come to know that you have started an email marketing campaign. How to make it happen? It is very simple. Just make it on. You can customize your post from here by adding up to 4 images. Let us add images first. And finally, select the Facebook page which you think is relevant to this campaign. I am selecting one of my page. Save the message, and this is the preview of your Facebook post. Now you need not to do anything in future. When you will run a campaign, the post will automatically be posted to your Facebook page. It's worth mentioning here that you can select the Facebook page only if you have created it. Otherwise, no page will be visible here. How to create a Facebook page, that we will discuss in the social media module. Next, we have Instagram page. Just make it on. Select your Instagram profile and add one image to this post. You cannot add more than one image here. Save the post, and it is ready. It will be live when you will share your campaign. Next, we have Twitter. Connect your Twitter account to the Mail Chimp. If you don't have Twitter account, just sign up for it. Click Authorize app, and your Twitter account will be connected to the Mail Chimp. Now, with the starting of the Mail Chimp campaign, your message will go live on the Twitter. You can also add few images up to 4 to the tweet. Next, we have settings related to the audience. We have 23 subscribers in the list, and when we customized the to field, then there was an option to segment or tag. But we didn't select any segment or tag, rather we selected all the subscribers in the audience. But sometimes there is a need to send a mail to the group of subscribers based on some predefined parameters such as age, gender, or income. So here we will learn about how to create the segment or groups in the audience list. What is a segment? A segment is a group of subscribers based on some common characteristics like age, income, or gender. To create the segment or group, just go to the audience. We have a list of all 23 contacts here. Click View Contacts. We have a list of all 23 contacts here. From Manage Contacts, select Segment. As of now, we don't have any segment. To create a new one, click Create Segment. Here you have to define the condition to create a segment. If you select Contact match any of the following conditions, then if at least one condition is matched, then your segment will be created. If you select Contact match and of the following conditions, then all conditions must be satisfied to create a segment. Let us keep it any and one condition only. Now let us select a field on the basis of which we want to make a segment. At present, in my list, there are not many demographic variables, but let us select the last name as Singh. Let us preview the segment. Yes, new segment is created having 4 subscribers with the last name Singh. Save the segment by giving it a name. Yes, one segment is there. Actually, in the primary list, we have all 23 subscribers, but a new segment is created having 4 contacts. Now we are able to send mails to these 4 subscribers based on Sync segment. It is useful when your audience list is having the subscribers having different backgrounds. Next we have groups. Groups are similar to segments and subscribers are grouped based on their preferences automatically. In this case, we have to insert one question in the sign-up form, and based on the responses of the subscribers, they will be grouped automatically in our audience list. Let me show you how to create a group question in the sign-up form. From Manage Contacts, go to Groups. As I mentioned earlier, groups let you categorize the subscribers by the things like interest and preferences. Subscribers can select groups for themselves, or you can put the subscriber in the group within the Mail Chimp. Click Create Groups. Here you have to decide how to show the group options to the subscribers. First is checkboxes, that means people can select more than one option. Second, we have radio button, that means people can select only one option. Then we have drop down, that means people can select only one option. Give any name to the group category like interest, because I want to group the subscribers on the basis of their interest. Add 2 to 3 options here like sports, education and political. You may add another option as well. Save it. Let us see whether this question is added to the sign-up form or not. See, group question is added to the sign-up form. Now subscribers can exercise their option, and at the back end, they will be put in the respective groups based on the option selected by them. And you will be able to send your campaign to the different groups. Now let me show you how subscribers will be added to the group automatically. Sign up to form by filling the relevant details and opt for relevant groups and confirm humanity and mail ID. View the audience. Yes, subscriber is there along with the groups opted by him. So in this video, I have just discussed few additional but important things about email marketing campaigns such as campaign URL, social media post, segments and tags. Now in the next video, we will talk about various types of email marketing campaigns. So just join me.